Hi friends, how are you all doing today? So I'm going to make some curry with soya chunks. Let's get started. I'll switch on the stove and keep this vessel of water to let it boil. Once it's boiled, I'll add soya chunks into it. I will place the pan on the other stove and switch that on. In the meantime, let me cut the onions into smaller pieces. I'm cutting the ginger pieces, the garlic and the green chilies into smaller pieces. It is not uniform pieces because I'm going to fry it anyways. Now the oil is hot. Let me put the onion pieces into the oil. Water is boiled here, so I will put the soya chunks into the water. I will also put these two whole tomatoes into it, which I can take it in between, so that also will get boiled for the tomato puree. I will also be adding the ginger, garlic and chili pieces into the pan and allow it to fry. I will remove the tomatoes first and keep it aside. So now I can puree the tomato. The soya chunks also seems soft, so I will strain it now. Run cold water onto it. I have a little of the cashew nuts. I'm putting that too. I think the onions are almost getting ready, so let the cashews also fry in it. I think it's ready now. I will switch off the flame and allow it to cool down. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to squeeze the soya chunks and put it into the pan. I'm going to fry the soya chunks. So this recipe has been asked by my friend Mohan. So Mohan, I hope you will be watching this. I've added some more oil and I'm frying it. You can see the color is changing a bit. And also I have boiled potatoes. I'll add that too into it. You can see the change in color. So it's ready now. I'll switch off the stove. In the meantime, I will just make the onion paste. The onion paste is now ready. Now I will just cut the tomato and make the puree. So we can start with the preparation of the curry. I have taken some bay leaves and all the whole spices. I have the tomato puree ready, the onion paste ready, and all the spices are ready here, and the fried soya chunks and potatoes. So let's get started. Add oil. I'll add the jeera. I will also add all this whole spices, the bay leaves and all the other spices, cardamom, cinnamon and cloves. So once the nice aroma starts coming, I will add the onion paste. Now it's ready to add the paste. Now I'll add turmeric, chili powder 1.5 spoon, coriander powder a spoon, jeera powder half a spoon. I've added the garam masala also. The masala is cooked for a while. Now I can add the tomato puree. The color has changed. Now I'll add the soya chunks and potato pieces and then add the required salt. This is Himalayan pink salt that I am using. And pour water and let it cook in low flame for about 5 minutes, and then we can garnish it with coriander leaves. So now I will close it with the lid and allow it to cook. You can see the color is different. It's ready now, it's cooked. Now I can add the coriander leaves. See friends how beautiful it looks. I'm very happy to see my dish today actually. It looks yum. I hope it tastes yum as well. Now I have something else which I will be adding. Fresh cream. I'll switch it off now, and when I'm serving it into the bowl, I'll add the fresh cream. So friends, hope you liked my dish. Please let me know if you would like to see more of North Indian dishes. If you like my dishes, please subscribe Jo's World. I've added black jeera and coriander leaves in the paratha, and I have smeared it with butter. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.